then adjust. Wait. Adjust. Wait. Yan. So that's it. Then if you want to put the title, just click the tools, then text box, then write the title. Edit, example, art. Yan. Then center, go to paragraph, center. That's it. That's all for today. I hope you learned this video. Thank you for watching.